ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong yaga Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai maj haka porship ho bajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Chief Secretary Jangka Jella uba Donald P. Walang mentagasngi kakat santarik uluber arjar arpusau ula plepaj ba yaka plasma exhibition yaka bala pelong daka Sangha Dev College. Hagane ka plasma exhibition nalor uba Donald P. Walang ubade ukongsan lai don lang ru ka Dr. Ridap Hun Nongrum kabalong ka Associate Professor u Dr. A.V. Ravi Kumar ubade u Scientific Officer Head Outreach Division IPR Gandhinagar harangkat bat ka Dr. Eureka F.P. Lingdo kabalong ka Principal Jangka College. Hagani ka exhibition kumba sanpun riu tali ki Jaka Pule kilaya Shim Bynta kentup ya ki school ki college bat ki university naga NIT.
One of the biggest challenges, I must say this in this forum because it's very good students are here who understand physics, who understand biology, maths and all. One of the biggest challenges in this state, for whatever reason, is our weakness in STEM. That is in science, technology and mathematics. Very, very weak. In fact, I have a data in my mobile, but not very tech savvy, so I cannot access it properly, it will take time. But I remember out of memory that last year in maths, in class 10, the pass percentage in maths last year from South-West Garo Hills was the lowest. And only 16.5% of those who appeared in the matric exam passed in maths. I mean, this is abysmal. It's not acceptable at all. We don't know the reasons. Is it because of the teaching? Is it because of the inputs they are not getting properly? Is it because of poor foundation? But only 16%. And the highest in East Khasi Hills, in West Jhantia Hills. East Jhantia Hills and West Jhantia Hills, they cross about 70% only, not more than that. Similarly, in science, it's a little better than maths. But again, the lowest is the same district, South-West Garo Hills, which is Ampati. And again, in maths, in science, the pass percentage was just 25%. I mean, it's so low. It means that out of 100 who appear, only 25 of them get through. And I'm sure many of them will be in the range of 35 to 50. Not many will cross the 50 marks. So that is the state of affairs as far as science and maths in the state is concerned. We really need to look properly into what is wrong and where. And if you look at the education policy which was passed in 2019, there is a lot of focus on STEM. And a lot of new initiatives also are being taken. But how long will it take to percolate to the last mile? That's the most important thing. In Shillong, it's easy. You launch something today, by tomorrow, by next week, everything will be visible in the field, in the colleges, in the schools. But again, for places like South-West Garo, which I was mentioning, how long will it take? And are the teachers trained? Therefore, it's very, very important that teachers are trained properly, the syllabus, the curriculum is updated and it's made more interesting. In fact, I wish, since Commission Secretary Education is here, I wish that the syllabus also is more tuned towards practicality. There are some things that we learn. I remember, I'm an engineer actually, by the way. Coincidentally, I'm an engineer. I passed my engineering many years back. But I remember in school we used to learn quadratic equations. All of you must be knowing quadratic equation. But I've not found any use in my life. What is this equation doing in my life? I've learned it, I can calculate, but what is the use of this equation? I have never found a use, and despite being from that background. So I wish that when it comes to tailoring your curriculum, tailoring your syllabus, you'll have to make it more applications based, more practical based. Just learning an equation, just learning what is being taught in the books may not help you really. But I hope that this is taken care of because we are now revising the curriculum. The state curriculum framework is going to be revised very soon, so those who are part of the matric MOS curriculum, you'll see new things happening very soon, and a lot of updation, a lot of changes will happen.
Two electrodes. Okay, two electrodes, one is made of aluminum, one is made of
Vacuum will be space. Now you understand vacuum, right? वैसे भी कूलर हूँ मैं कूलर भी जरूरी